care stuff for like black people, and I'm really excited because I found this place. My coworker told me about it, Colorful Black. So I think they have like Cantu, shea butter, everything that I'm used to in the US. So I'm excited. Let's go see. Hey guys, good morning. So it's like 8:30. It's like before work. I'm walking to CityPharma. If you're like familiar with Paris, it's this really amazing pharmacy. Where is this? It's in the 4th, I think. The 4th or the 5th arrondissement. And my skin has just been acting so weird lately, so I wanted to go when they opened. They open now, and just like have one of the they have like pharmacists that walk around like lab coats. It's really cool, and they just like tell you what to do with your skin. So I'm trying to do that. Yeah, I'm happy it's Friday. I know I look so tired. I was like, I didn't want to wear any makeup. I want to have just like bare face, like help me figure out the situation. The water in Paris has been really awful, I think, for my skin and my hair. It's just really like drying. But yeah, I'll take you guys along. Hopefully I can film in there. It's kind of big, so stay tuned. Guys, CityPharma is the truth. Okay, this is the... I have to try to get a picture of the sign or something. This is it. Yo, they just got my entire life together. I have a whole bag of stuff. My skin's about to be lit. I'll do a haul for you guys tonight. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to show you what I got from CityPharma. Okay, so first I got the and this is the brand. I got the exfoliating cleansing foam, and it has 15% glycolic acid, which is really good to help just like exfoliate your skin if you have any issues. So that was like, I need to just clear out everything that was in my skin. So this has really been helping with that. Next, I got the skin toning night cream, which again has glycolic acid and vitamin C. So again, that's helping with my skin. And now, since like it's been a month since I bought this. Sorry guys, I know I'm so late, but it's really been helping my skin. I can notice like a really big difference in just like the texture and like having no more breakouts. Like it just really has helped. So that's the night cream. This is what I got as a day cream, which is just like an intense moisturizer. I really like this one. And then I got this for my dark spots. So there's like dark spots on my chin, and I just really wanted to get rid of them. So okay, now I'm off to work. I'm so excited to go home and wash my face and just pamper myself. This is gonna be great. I'll see you guys later. So I found French Whole Foods. This place is lit. I'm like acting like I don't have to go to work. I'm about to leave in a second. I was just looking for a tea. This is adorable. I just can't even take it. I don't think you guys can tell how good this place is. Okay, I'll show you. It's like a French fry.